Okay folks, just thought I'd shoot a little video here. Just did a service on this Tamon EB 2000 10-band equalizer. We just cleaned all the sliders and did a solder reflow. And I thought before I put it back together, I would just show you guys so you can see what's inside of this thing. Tamon is a brand I've never heard of before. Made in Japan in the 80s. And so I picked this up. I traded a good working used laptop for it. I've had it for quite a while. And I just thought, time to do a service on it. I'll get it on the bench and go through it. So that's what I just finished doing on the new soldering station. So yeah, that worked out nice. This thing, there's kind of a cool top cover that goes on this thing. So yeah, I'll put that back together here once I'm done. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to shoot a little video, show you guys this Tamon EQ, show you what it looks like on the outside and on the inside. These are learning experiences. Maybe you guys never see another one. I haven't. So let's mark it down in history. Tamon EB 2000 10-band EQ. Inside and out. You can't even download a manual for these things, they're so rare. So yeah, it's kind of a cool little unit. Really nice heavy duty sliders, nice heavy duty knobs. Kind of a bummer, the guy I got it from broke the little monitor switch there. It's kind of a bummer too, because I got this off of Facebook Marketplace, and the picture that he uploaded, that wasn't broken, but yet when I met him to get it, he shows up with that broken. So that was kind of a bummer, but anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, anyway, Tamon, they're still in business actually. I guess they sell like a lot of karaoke type equipment and stuff like that. So thought that was kind of interesting. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back together, and I'll upload the video for this once I have this all complete. And then I got another little project coming up right behind this one. So stay tuned.